Kadamba is not
Kadamba-
Kadamba is not following the social distancing and
Yes.
full pack varta.
Plus Kadamba is using only few buses. Otherwise, private buses are stopped. So how you are looking at this?
No, see, ultimately realize one thing. For quite some time, everything was at a standstill. We are streamlining. It will take a little time. And whatever government regulates, it's for the people also. If people themselves don't want to follow, then what can you do?
Okay.
We are telling them don't pack like sardines. Still they want to rush. No, they want to go by that bus only. आम्ही किती म्हणतो?
Buses flying are
No,
not
no,
enough.
push it now.
Yeah.
Push it now.
बस increase जातलो.
But-
आणि
but
सांगला.
There are no
But
buses.
is it only Kadamba or private buses also would be
Private
allowed?
buses also.
Also
I
would be
will
allowed.
have another meeting and I will see that it is further
तुम्ही त्यांना
streamlined.
चलोपाक दिया म्हटलेलं ते रेडी ना सो
They are ready ना, पण आम्ही परत त्यांच्याकडे talk initiate करतले.
But it will start soon.
No, we will
Please plan
initiate
now.
talks. No, we cannot. We can take a horse to the water, but we cannot ask it to drink the water. No, कसली कष्ट झाली.
Okay.